Hello everyone, Shabik here from Money Online, and this is Android 12 Beta 2 out for Pixel 4a. So without any further delays, let's begin. So Android 12 Beta 2 is out for the Pixel devices and the other devices that support the beta build. And when compared to the Beta 1, Beta 2 has improvements, and it has one downside also that I fixed. And this update came yesterday night around 11:30 or something. So let's have a look at it. So first things first, the dynamic theme engine has been implemented a bit better. We can see some of the glimpse of it, and as you can see over here, the wallpaper that I have, it has a bit of this skin color and the red color. So the clock is picking up the red color. And now let's go for the unlock. And previously this wasn't there, but now if you can see the white, this part, the blank part, or I would call it the white part, it's not exactly white. If you can see, just a second, it's not exactly white. If you can see, this is something a bit reddish tinge is there. And let's just further unlock the device. This is how it appears. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is how it looks, like this. This looks good, and short, sweet, big buttons. And personally, I like this kind of presentation or the experience, user experience. And let's just further jump to the settings. And again, you can see that reddish white with the reddish tinge. And if you go to this, so no changes here as of now, but one more thing to show. And so there is a change in the notification panel, and also the implementation of the dynamic theme engine. And just see, my wallpaper has this black and the red and the skin color. So this part appears in black only, and this part appears in this reddish, in the white part which has the reddish tint in it. So now let's just further scroll, and this is how it looks. As you can see, the red accent, a lightish red accent, if I'd say, if that's a word. And over here in the beta build 1, we had two buttons. That was one button to edit this, and the other one was going to the settings. And here another button has been added for the power menu, and if you tap on that, so one more change in the notification panel is this. First, we used to had a different tile or card for the Wi-Fi as well as mobile data, but now both of them have been clubbed into one. And if you further tap on that, so this is how it looks. And yes, if you want to turn on the mobile data, then you have to go to the settings, and from here you have to turn on the mobile data. So it's a bit hustle bustle, I would say. The ease is not there like what we used to had before. And if we just tap on this, this is a small pop-up that opens over here, and you can connect your mobile data or Wi-Fi. But I feel that the previous system that we had of the dedicated Wi-Fi card and the mobile data card was actually very helpful. So yes, and this is how this looks like. No changes in that. And we'll just go to the settings. And one more thing before going to settings, that is this camera access and mic access cards have been finally added, and whenever you open any app that uses your camera and microphone, as you can see, this green icon over here, that shows. And if you further scroll down and tap on this, it will show that the camera being used by Snapchat. And if you want, you can block the access from here, but if you instantly want to block the access for the camera instantly, so there is this option. If you just swipe over here, and yes, if you tap on this, the camera access is blocked. As you can see, nothing can be seen, and also the green dot or the green icon has disappeared. So this is a very handy feature in terms of privacy field, I would say. Now let's just again tap on this, and again you can see over here it's visible that camera has been used. Let's just go back and let's just scroll down, and there is this another change in the status bar. I don't know what has tried Google to make this change, but it's not towards the greater good, I'd say, from at least my point of view. The status bar is meant for, for the network indicators has been removed. Yes, the network, yes, it is done. And when you just scroll down for once, then only you can see the network indicators, and the icon for that has been changed, and I don't know if it's visible on the camera or something, but over here if you can see, I'll just bring it close to the camera. This icon, the telephone icon and the network indicator, these are the new the indicators for the network, and this is how it appears for Wi-Fi calling. So this is the call and this is the Wi-Fi symbol. That's how it appears, but this is not good, to be honest, at least from my point of view. And yes, now let's just finally jump to the settings, and let me just show you the about phone section. And let's just go to the Android version, and the security update that we get is June 5th June 2021, so the patch is latest. And the Google Play system update is of 1st May 2021, and it's good. There are no issues in this, but if you further tap on this, we do still get this, but this time, okay, so this is how it looks. No changes over here as of now, but yes, it's showing S, and in the build number also you can see it's showing S. This is how it appears. And one more thing to mention, the volume slider appearance has been changed a lot. It looks very different from the beta build 1. And let's just tap over here further, and this is how you can see over here. And if you just scroll up or scroll down, adjust the volume, etc., this is how it looks like. And yes, if you tap over here, you can switch to the silent profile, DND profile, and ring profile. So I'll just put it back to this profile. Yeah, so this is how that volume bar now appears now. And if you tap on any app, in the first you will see an animation, and you will see a big picture of that icon, I would say. Then the app opens. Let me just show you. As you can see, for the Play Store that happened. And if I tap on Chrome, as you can see, this is how it goes. And if you tap on camera, this is how it happens. So yes, and see, this is pretty much it. And in terms of major revamp, there is no as such major revamp, but yes, one more thing to note, that is the glittery effect is been reduced. Let me just turn on the dark mode, so I believe that will be visible more on the camera. The glittery effect has been reduced a lot, not like compared to the beta build 1 version. And yes, yeah, as you can see, yeah. And there is one more feature that has been added, that is this quick tap, but this quick tap isn't working as of now on Pixel 4. On Pixel 4 it's not working as of now. This quick tap feature, basically what it does, if you tap twice on the back of your phone, you can customize. There are 5 to 6 options that you can customize this gesture. Like if you want, you can, if you double tap on the back, you can take a screenshot, or if you double tap on your back, you can access the Google Assistant, or you can pause or play the media, whatever is going on, music, videos, whatever it is. And if you want, you can, if you double tap, you can see the recent notifications, etc. So that's how it is. It's not working. I have tried, I have tapped several times, but it's not happening. The other Pixel 4a users who are using this Android 12 beta 2 build are reporting that they are having some issues, like they are unable to access the Gcam or the Prime Video, or there are other 1 to 2 apps that are not working for them. But for me, Gmail is working fine. I'll just show. It's not crashing whenever I'm opening it. It's working fine, no issues in that segment. In that segment, as you can see, no issues with Gmail. And with Amazon also, there was like some users are facing issue with Amazon as well. So I'm opening the Amazon app, and as you can see, it's opening without any crashes, and I've used it, no crashes is happening for me. And if you open Prime Video, then also the app is not usable. What I have seen, the feedback from the other Pixel 4a users about this Android 12 beta 2 build. So let's just open the Prime Video. It opens, and if I just play any media, it will play back perfectly. See, the media is played without any problems. There are no issues in that. So for me, everything is working fine. In the beta build 1, the Access Mobile app wasn't working, and the same issue persists in the Android 12 beta build 2 also. If I tap on this app, it's closing. I don't know if it's visible on camera. Yeah, it should be. This app is crashing. It will not open. And let's just open the other payment apps like PhonePe and all. And yes, it's opening and it's working fine. No crashes from this side. One major issue that I faced in this build is the battery backup. The battery backup is not, in terms of the battery drain, the battery drain is a bit faster when compared to the Android 12 beta build 1. The battery drain happens in the idle state, and when you are using the device normally, it's working fine. There are no issues in that. But when when the phone is in idle state, the battery drain is happening a lot. Yesterday I downloaded the update for the Android 12 beta build 2, and I used it, and the charge that I was having before sleeping that I saw was 50%. And when I woke up in the morning and I saw how much charge is left, the charge percentage was 38%. So on an average there is a 12% battery drain, and this was not the case for the Android 12 beta build 1. So I hope this thing gets fixed in the beta build 3 that will come out. And let's just open the camera. So there has been a feature drop by Google, and the feature drop is not available for the beta build, I'd say, because there has been, like what Google teased in their feature drop video was about the time lapse for astrophotography. So I can't see the settings generally you get a setting over here for enabling that, or if you tap on advanced you will get a option for enabling the astrophotography time-lapse mode, but it's not there in this build. It hasn't been included. And other than that, the safe folder and all that has been included, and that can be accessed from the files app. And in the files app, if I open like this, and if you tap on browse, and here you can see this is the safe folder, so you can further access that. And another thing to notice that is the blacks appear in the dark theme, the blacks appear more black, and in the previous beta build one it used to appear kind of a grayish side, not exact black, but in this build this has been improved. The blacks, they do look blacks. If you see in the menu, in the normal menu also, the blacks appear a bit better. And if you open the settings also, the blacks appear to be perfect. Not exactly perfect, but yes, better than beta build 1. So these are my thoughts. So I got this update as an OTA update. I didn't install any factory images, downloaded it manually or did something like that. The update size was around 315 MB, and yes, the update process was smooth, nothing much. So this is my review about the Android 12 beta build 2 for the Pixel 4a. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you found this review helpful, do smash the like button, and if you're new to our channel, do also press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I hope you to see in my next one. Till then, take the vaccine, stay safe.